Welcome to ARCA NEET Academy. This is established by B. Sriramulu Garu. He is a dynamic and excellent administrator from last 25 years in different corporate systems. And our program is designed by excellent core team with the help of our academic director Jahir Basha Garu. He is an excellent program designer and extraordinary zoology faculty from last 28 years. Myself, NSR, faculty in chemistry with 15 years experience, and if you are observe the 2020 NEET question paper, when compared to last year, this year question paper is very comfortable and very clear. There is no ambiguous questions. All questions are very, very clear, but 3 or 4 questions are very, very corners to NCERT. That's why the students feel somewhat difficult. And overall question paper is easy. Out of 45 questions, 17 questions from physical chemistry, 15 questions from inorganic, and 13 questions from organic. That's why the easiest questions, the easy questions and moderate questions are around 70%. Now I am going to discuss about F3 code. First question: when toluene is reaction with halogen in presence of sunlight, 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine. Free radical substitution. Further, this is on hydrolysis. These 2 chlorine atoms are replaced by OH groups. It is nucleophilic substitution. 2 OH groups on same carbon. Highly unstable. That's why by loss of water molecule, this gem dihydroxy carbon is converted into aldehydes. Finally we get benzaldehyde. Next question: among 118 elements, the zero group elements are uncombined state. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, these are all monoatomic gases. That's why He2 does not exist. It is also calculated by using molecular orbital electronic configuration based on number of bonding electrons and minus anti-bonding electrons by 2. And next question: natural polymer. Among these 4, isoprene 1,4 cis 1 comma 4 polyisoprene. Isoprene 2 methyl 1 comma 3 butadiene is called isoprene. This cis 1 comma 4 polyisoprene, it is a natural rubber. Number of collisions by increasing in concentration, number of collisions per second increases. Number of collisions per second is called collision frequency. It is observed in this animation video. Here 1 A molecule and around 7 B molecules. So here number of collisions, 5 collisions per second. If concentration of A is increases, concentration of A, 2 A molecules, number of collisions per second is 10 collisions. That's why when concentration increases, number of collisions per second increases, resultant collision frequency is also increases. Next question. When enzol is reaction with HI, due to resonance between lone pairs of oxygen to benzene, here there is a double bond character. That's why the cleavage of this oxygen and this bond is somewhat difficult. That's when it is heating, by cleavage of this bond, oxygen and methyl group, by cleavage of this oxygen methyl group, iodine is added to CH3 and H is added to oxygen, resultant we get phenol and methyl iodide. This is example for nucleophilic substitution. I minus is attacking on CH3, less sterically hindered carbon side. That's why it is example for nucleophilic substitution, follows SN2 mechanism. Next question. Number of electrons, protons and neutrons. Now we can observe this. This letter indicates number of protons, atomic number, in this case Lu 71 and 175. This is indicates atomic number, that is equal to number of electrons and protons. So 71 electrons and 71 protons, and 175 minus 71 is equal to number of neutrons, 104 neutrons. Next question. The number of unpaired electrons in Cr plus 2. In Cr plus 2, chromium electronic configuration 4s1 and 3d5 plus 2 nothing but by loss of 2 electrons it become 3d4. 3d4 nothing but there is a 4 unpaired electrons. Here there is a 4 unpaired electrons. The magnetic momentum square root of 4 into 4 plus 2, that is equal 24 and 4.9. Next question. Match the following. Here carbon monoxide is a neutral and barium metal oxides, all metal oxides are basic. That's why barium oxide is a basic. Along carbon monoxide, now we can observe this nitrous oxide, nitric oxide and water, these all are the neutral. And Al2O3 is a amphoteric oxide. It reacts acids and base. And in the same way Cl2O7, non-metal oxides, that's why it is a acidic. The most acidic oxide in periodic table is Cl2O7, because when it is dissolved in water, we get perchloric HClO4. HClO4 is a most acidic. So that's why Al2O3 is a amphoteric and Cl2O7 is a acidic. Next question. When urea is reaction with water, we get ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate is a highly unstable, that's why itself it is decomposed to ammonia. Finally, when urea dissolved in water, we get ammonia and carbon dioxide and water. This ammonia gas is passed through aqueous solution of Cu2 plus. There is a complex formed between ammonia to Cu2 plus. During the formation of complex between ammonia to Cu2 plus, the d orbitals are split into two sets and it contains one unpaired electrons. Due to DD transactions, we are observed blue color. So very important. These all are the NCERT lines. There is no ambiguities. These all are the NCERT lines. That's why for NEET preparations, NCERT is a best book. So that's why we must follow the NCERT. Next question. Match the following. Here carbon monoxide and hydrogen. This is called syngas or synthesis gas. And hardness of water due to presence of magnesium carbonates and bicarbonates. Hardness of water, temporary hardness and permanent hardness of water due to presence of magnesium and calcium chlorides. Temporary hardness due to presence of magnesium carbonates and bicarbonates, and this B2S6 is a electron deficient. B2S6. Now we can observe this B2S6 nothing but totally how many bonds in this? Totally how many? 6 BH bonds. 6 BH bonds nothing but it must be contains 6 into 2, 12 electrons. It must be contains the total number of valence electrons in B2S6 is 12. But in this case, here total number of valence electrons. Each boron contains 2 electrons. Each boron contains 3 electrons in its valence shell. That's why 2 borons. That's why 6 electrons and 6 hydrogens. Here there is a 6 hydrogens. 6 hydrogens nothing but 6 electrons. That's why totally 12 electrons. But if you observe this diborane, now we can observe this diborane structure. How many bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 covalent bonds is there. 8 covalent bonds nothing but 16 electrons. That's why here this B2S6 contains less number of electrons than required. Now we can observe the structure. There is a 8 covalent bonds. Here there is a 8 bonds, nothing but it required 18 electrons. So it required 16 electrons, but it contains 12 electrons. Less than required number of electrons. That's why it is electron deficient. And hydrogen peroxide is a open book structure. It is a non-planar structure. Open book structure, non-planar structure. Next question. When mixture, positive deviation. Now we can observe these alcohols. In the alcohols, there is a intermolecular hydrogen bonds. There is a intermolecular hydrogen bond between one alcohol to another alcohol. Here there is a intermolecular hydrogen bond. When acetone is added to this, when acetone C double bond O is added to this, the intermolecular hydrogen bond is cleavage. Resultant, the intermolecular attractions are decreases. Due to decreasing in intermolecular attraction, it causes positive deviation. So this acetone cleave the hydrogen bond between alcohols. So it causes positive deviation. Next question. Here the delta TF is equal Kf into molarity. He is given Kf value and he is given molarity. That's why delta TF is equal Kf into molarity. Direct formula substitution. Now we can observe this total paper in physical chemistry. Direct formula substitution questions. There is no 2 steps questions. There is no 3 steps questions. Direct formula substitution. So delta Tf is equal Kf into molarity. He is given Kf value and molarity. So next question. So here this is sp2 hybridization. This BF3 is a trigonal planar. BF3 is trigonal planar. sp2 hybridization. All planar shape like sp2 hybridization, regular linear shape, sp2 hybridization, trigonal planar shape, and sp3 hybridization tetrahedral shape, and these all are dipole momentum is 0. Here also sp hybridization. This is a sp hybridization linear shape, dipole momentum 0. Here in the carbon dioxide, carbon is also sp hybridization, dipole moment 0. Here this bond momentum, this chlorine momentum bond direction in this and this, net dipole momentum is 0. Next question, hyperconjugations. Now we can observe this animation video. Here these carbocations, tertiary butyl. So the stability of carbocations based on hyperconjugations. Now we can observe this hyperconjugation in this animation video. ఒకసారి మీరు ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. So here tertiary butyl carbocation is stabilized by hyperconjugations. So here this tertiary carbocation is stabilized by hyperconjugation and inductive effect, plus I effect and hyperconjugations. This alpha CH sigma bonds by overlapping of alpha CH2 vacant p orbitals, by overlapping of alpha CH2 vacant p orbitals. It's called hyperconjugation. Here there is a 9 alpha hydrogens, 9 hyperconjugations. So that's why, so tertiary butyl carbocations are stabilized by hyperconjugation and plus I effect. Here plus I effect is not there, that's why hyperconjugation. Next question, this solubility product KSP is equal concentration of Ni plus 2 and OH minus square. In this OH minus, the concentration of NaOH is 0.1. That is substitute in OH minus. Here OH minus concentration is 0.1. That is substitute in OH minus. That's why KSP value is 2 into 10 power minus 15. 2 into 10 power minus 15 is equal S into 0.1 square. So solve this. Direct substitution. Next question. The reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium bromide CH3 minus MgBr plus. This CH3 minus is attacking on this nucleophilic addition reaction. This is partially negative and this carbon is partially positive. That's why the CH3 minus is attacking on this. So we are observe this compound CH3 OMgBr and then hydrolysis. Resultant we get tertiary butyl alcohol. This is example for nucleophilic addition followed by hydrolysis. Next question. So which of the following amines, carbyl, generally primary amines gives positive carbyl amine test. Among these primary amines, this is a primary amines, it gives carbyl amine test. Next question. Terminal alkynes gives methanol, is given methanol. Only terminal alkynes, one ene gives methanol on ozonolysis. Among this is terminal alkyne. Here double bond on terminal carbon. That's why only this compound gives methanol. That means formaldehyde on ozonolysis. Next question, mole fraction. The partial pressure of nitrogen is equal mole fraction of nitrogen into total pressure. Mole fraction of nitrogen is equal number of moles of nitrogen by total number of moles. Mole fraction of nitrogen, number of moles of nitrogen by total number of moles తీసుకుంటాం. So this is total pressure 27 and number of moles of nitrogen by total number of moles. So direct formula substitution. Next question, order of increasing in field strength. Field is a petrochemical series, NCERT line. So the Cn minus is a strong ligand. Among this Cn minus and then oxalate ion and then F minus and thiocyanate based on NCERT lines. Next question, paper chromatography is also example for partition chromatography. Now in this paper chromatography, there is a chromatography paper. It contains if you observe this, when it is placed in chromatography paper is placed in this solvent, the solvent is raised and different compounds are separated according to their different partitions in the two phases. Different components are separated according to their different partitions in their phase. So next question, sucrose is when sucrose is on hydrolysis, we get alpha D plus glucose and beta D minus fructose. This is alpha D plus glucose and beta D fructose. Alpha beta glycoside linkage between alpha D glucose to beta D fructose. Next question, here the rate constant K is equal 2.303 by T log A by A minus X, where A is the initial concentration and A minus X is a concentration after some time. Here this is a initial concentration is 2.0 and concentration after some time is 0.2. So that's why and time is given. Direct formula and substitution with simple calculations. Next question, the reaction between benzaldehyde and acetophenone. Different carbonyl compounds with at least one carbonyl compound contains alpha hydrogen is example for crossed aldol condensation. Different carbonyl compounds, at least one carbonyl compound contains alpha hydrogen is example for crossed aldol condensation. Here benzaldehyde, here there is no alpha hydrogen, but acetophenone, in acetophenone there is a alpha hydrogen. That's why the condensation between these two is example for aldol, crossed aldol condensation. Next one is which are not correct. In this case, carboxyhemoglobin is a less stable. This is a incorrect statement because carboxyhemoglobin is a more stable. It is a 300 times more stable than oxyhemoglobin. That is a wrong statement. Next question, the sucrose is on hydrolysis. Here the direct formula substitution, delta Z naught. Here delta Z naught is equal minus RT ln Kc. Here R value is given. Here manaki R value icharam. In this case, direct substitution. So here temperature 300 Kelvin and R is a gas constant 8 point, direct substitution. Next question. When HCl is passed through solution of CaCl2 and MgCl2, CaCl2 and MgCl2 are more soluble than NaCl. That's why when HCl is added to mixture of CaCl2, MgCl2 and NaCl, the NaCl is first precipitated because these two are CaCl2 and MgCl2 are more soluble. Next question, here also for BCC. For BCC, 4R is equal square root of, so cube root 3a, 4R is equal root 3a. So ikkada manaki in this question, here A is edge length is given. Direct formula and substitution. Next question, peroxysulfuric acid. Which of the following contains peroxy linkage? In the name is given peroxy disulfuric acid. Peroxy. That's why it must be contains peroxy linkage. That's why answer is H2S2O8. The structure of peroxy disulfuric acid is like this. Next question. Incorrect statement. In this incorrect statement, here CrO4 2 minus, that is x minus 8 equal to minus 2, x equal to plus 6. Here chromium, in this chromium plus 6, in this compound also, 2x minus 14 is equal minus 2. Here 2x, 2 chromiums, 2x 7 into minus 2, 2x minus 14 equal to minus 2. That's why x equal to plus 6. In this is given, both are not same oxidation state. Here both are same oxidation state. That's why that statement is wrong statement. Next question. Cationic detergents. This ammonium bromide. This ammonium bromide is a, here ammonia NH4 plus. Ammonium derivatives. That's why this is ammonium bromide is example for cationic detergents. Tetra-alkyl substitutions of ammonium are example for cationic detergents. Next question, here is given free expansion. Free expansion, P external 0. External pressure is equal to 0. That's why work is 0. PDV. Work ane manaki PDV untam. That's why work 0 and expansion Q is equal, change in heat 0 and temperature delta T is also 0. For free expansions, all these parameters are 0. Next question. In this case, when electrolysis of dilute H2SO4, first this H plus ion, H2O is dissociated to H plus and OH minus. By electrolysis, water molecules, H2O is dissociated to H plus and OH minus, and this H2SO4 is dissociated to H plus and HSO4 minus. Generally these H plus ions, the H plus ions migrates towards cathode and liberated as a H2, and OH minus ions are migrates towards anode and liberated as a O2. Next question. Which statement is correct statement? Here correct statement. Here this vapor phase refining of carried out by nickel by Mond's process. Here is given Van Ark process. That's why it is a wrong statement. Here pig iron can be molded into variety of shape. This is correct statement. Pig iron is used for the preparation of different shapes of molds. Next question, lysine. Lysine is a basic amino acid. Basic amino acids because its side chain contains extra NH2 group. Side chain contains extra NH2 group. That's why it is a basic amino acids. Next question. Among this, this is wrong statement. D4. This is a wrong because nilium 1 aninium, nothing but it indicates rhizonium, Rg. This is a wrong statement. Next one is Wood's reaction. Generally Wood's reaction is used for the preparation of symmetrical alkanes. Now we can observe this hexane nothing but 6 carbons. Here by cleavage of this here, in this side 3 carbons, in this side 3 carbons. So that's why, heptane. So it is a odd number of carbons. It is used for the preparation of symmetrical alkanes with even number of carbons. Even if you are considered N-butane, here N-butane, this side is 2 carbons. So that's why it is used for the Wood's reaction is used for the preparation of N-butane. Here this side 2 carbons, this side 2 carbons. Even hexane 6. Here this side 3 carbons, this side 3 carbons, like this. Next question is, it is not suitable for the preparation of alkane with odd number of carbons and unsymmetrical alkanes. Next question, elimination reactions. Here 2 bromo pentane, this is pentane, 2 bromo. So carbon diesel, this is 2 bromo pentane, this is hydrogen. This is alpha beta elimination, dehydrohalogenation. It is not a dehydration. For the dehydration the compound must be contains OH group. Is there any OH group? That's why this compound does not undergo dehydration. So that's why this is wrong state, except this remaining all are correct statement. It follows Sergev rule, that is also named as Jastiv rule. Next question, Ca plus 2. This Ca plus 2 by gain of 2 electrons it is converted into Ca. Here 2 Faradays. For 2 Faradays 40 grams of calcium is deposited. By passing 2 moles of electrons, nothing but 2 Faradays of electricity, 40 grams is deposited. For 1 Faraday it is 20 grams. So that's why for 20 grams of calcium 1 Faraday is enough, 1 mole of electrons. Next one is number of atoms. Number of atoms nothing but weight by atomic weight into Avogadro number. Weight by atomic weight into Avogadro number. That's why the element which contains less atomic number contains more number of atoms. Which of the following contains maximum number of atoms? Less atomic weight, more number of atoms. Among these lithium contains less atomic weight. That's why it contains more number of atoms. For the oxygen, better to take weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number. If you want atoms, weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number into 2, because one O2 molecule contains 2 atoms. So that's why less atomic weight, more number of atoms. Lithium contains less atomic weight, more number of atoms. Next question. So here formation of covalent bond. The formation of covalent bond is always exothermic. delta H value is negative. During the formation of covalent bond, the potential energy is decreases. Means energy is liberated. That's why it is always exothermic reaction. That's delta H. Delta H value is less than 0. And in the same way, the number of molecules are decreases. That's why the entropy is also decreases. Number of molecules. Here there is a 2 molecules, and here there is a 2 atoms, and here there is a 1 molecules. The number of gas molecules are decreases. That's why delta S value is also less than 0. Next question. Here also asking correct statement. Here solid CO2. Solid CO2 is used in refrigerant. That's why this statement is wrong. Here it contains 6. Here the fullerenes contains 12 5-membered rings. Ikkada 12 5-membered rings and 26 membered rings untayi. 26 membered rings. That's why this statement is also wrong statement. These two are correct. Here GSM 5 is used for the conversion of alcohol to gasoline, and CO is a colorless. These two are correct statement. Next question. Zeta potential. This zeta potential is used for the stability of colloidal particles. The zeta potential is difference between the potential difference between fixed layer to diffused layer is called zeta potential. The potential difference between fixed layer to diffused layer is called zeta potential. It is used for the stability of colloidal particles. And next question. Here the valence oxidation state of carbon is +4, and here oxidation state of carbon is -4, because here each hydrogen is +1. That's why some of the oxidation states must be 0. That's why each hydrogen is +1. That's why here oxidation state of hydrogen +1. That's why carbon is -4. Here chlorine is -1. Each chlorine is -1. That's why carbon is +4. So the oxidation state is changed from -4 to +4. And last question. So it is generally potassium is used responsible for the transaction of nervous signal. Potassium is responsible for transaction of nervous signal. So this is NEET 2020 question paper explanation. Here all are simple questions. So I feel very happy to explain this question paper on digital board. It is possible only in ARCA NEET Academy. Thank you, students.